VR is awesome, dude. I love it.
That's C8.
Yeah, it might have been.
That's probably my best fucking turn.
Dude, he's right on you. Did you see him over there? Pat! Oh. Are you looking for me or looking for him?
Yeah.
He's right there in your mirrors. But that's crazy though, isn't it? You can like look back in your blind spots like that. You can't do that on Forza, Need for Speed. That's amazing. I love it. Boy, that Aston Martin is on you right there, Johnny. You see your rear view?
Yeah, that one.
Ooh, man.
Oh, shit.
Damn, they're all over you, homeboy. That GTR better kick in high gear. We need to get that thing in the garage and get some mods on that. Spend some of that cash money that we earned down in Mexico. Ooh, he's on your right. He came on the outside. Right there. Get on his tail and draft him. Stick to him. If he can keep out of contact with that other car. But the race is over right here, I think. Not too bad, though.
No, I want one of these cars in real life.
You can hit restart if you want. Play it again.
Oh, fuck no. That's... You can rest more ones at a time on that.
You're on my gaming channel now, Johnny.